In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ticketmaster app not working on iPhone and Android. If the Ticketmaster app is not opening properly, crashing, freezing, or not showing your tickets, don't worry. There are several simple things you can try, and we'll go through them one by one in a clear order so you can quickly figure out what's causing the problem. First, check your internet connection. Ticketmaster depends on a stable connection to load event details, account data, and tickets. If your connection is weak, the app may stay blank, load slowly, or fail to sign in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. You can also turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off. If you're on Wi-Fi, restarting your router may also help. Next, close the app and open it again. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button if your device has one, then find Ticketmaster and swipe it away. On Android, open your recent apps, find Ticketmaster and swipe it away or tap close all, then reopen the app. This helps clear temporary glitches. After that, check whether the app needs an update. An outdated version can cause errors or compatibility problems. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Ticketmaster and tap update if it appears. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Ticketmaster and update it if available. If that doesn't work, restart your device. Turn your phone off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on, and then open Ticketmaster again. This can resolve temporary system issues in the background. If you're using Android, you can also clear the app cache, go to Settings, then Apps, select Ticketmaster, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This can help if the app is slow or keeps crashing. Try to avoid clearing app data unless you really need to, since that may sign you out. You should also check for device software updates. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. On Android, go to Settings, then System, then Software Update. Install any available updates since older software can sometimes cause app compatibility issues. If you're having account or ticket loading problems, log out of Ticketmaster, close the app, reopen it, and sign back in. This often fixes syncing issues. If the problem still continues, reinstall the app. On iPhone, press and hold the app, tap Remove App, delete it, and reinstall it from the App Store. On Android, press and hold the app, tap Uninstall, and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Also keep in mind that sometimes the issue is on Ticketmaster's side. If you're seeing login failures, blank screens, checkout errors, or missing tickets, there may be a temporary outage. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again. And finally, if the app still isn't working, open your mobile browser, go to the Ticketmaster website, sign in, and access your tickets there. The website often works even when the app doesn't.